Abia, any time no do on the 13th of December na obeko.
And we so on Tiasie. If they don't sit down as one, maybe they meet me go. I say I'm so come the boys beko. I give some of the boys gonna be a strapping here to and not try there. There's a high Apietus side. You so you Porsche, you are coffee.
Abusia ya mama akwaba. Se woni my uncle fair da Apietus ene da de Lumba entem. Yes, see ade. Apietus etwe say that Lumba ye no ontimi nko ebe ye diama ne so obeko because date ni mu ache mienu. Se wokwa Abusuapanyin de na yebeka se owodobu ni afa wa nkonso a yebeka se o ene wa mai de o wa akosia se wa afa until se Abusua ne betena se no ma dwendwen ho de adwen ba ko ni date ba ko aba abonten no enya ade obeko enya ono nkwa na ekasa asem mate se other celebrities ne so bebre na ekeka se ye we pa de enya ade a obetimi akobi because asumdwe nim entokwa betimi asi bibi betimi asi ebi mu che se eye no kra na Apietus e kan because ye no asumdwe ni Abusua ni mo obi kura betimi afa body no ene adaka na dwane te se ballot box en Ghana de enso ye hey that Lumba pa na cheap de en sembebre ene eboboba aha abaloudest make sure so betwe wa adwen comment section ho like video yi na subscribe loudest Apietus kopie mu aluta FM den sembi tudwa wo afro joint eso na unim se enche bia na Abusua no kohie mu o menhia himfie ebi mo da nyame ase Abusuapanyin so e de betudwa se still na we be se stir na date no 13 enti ase bia hye den ni hosisi a until say ebi mo se that the Lumba na emu ne da hoi na ye na ye no still a ebi mo aye confused enokre Apietus enso ye ka omo a omoboa that Lumba e wonnwom recording mu ni ade a o odi mo tintimban ye pa o che se one that Lumba wa yonkofa che se ase enua nanso eye we de ebe ye de ama no sanse entokwa bi betimi asi ama o pe ba bi afa o ne ade bibia hwe ni tirim on pese e beba ne sa eninti enya anto enya ntua eye no onko
Abia, between me and you as a band, anytime no do on the 13th of December na obeko.
Listen to me.
Anytime no do obeko because this weekend, this Saturday, and also ye no, and baako so ye match. We say na Abusuapanyin so ye this weekend no obeko.
We see, asem we dey. I don't know how to answer you. Seriously. I don't know. I think so. Kriku was saying something. Say, Papa, then you ultimately drive could do her. So he was saying something. So I watched on social media.
Yeah.
He was saying,
something like that.
Also, on Papa, sometimes it's me to be chef man because of when you because that person will have peace. I know a school of thought that there's all the kakrani went here now were a problem. Also, Busha Fokutia. You will not have peace where you are. Once somebody who wa ya omu wa hano, untimi nya sumtwe wo ho. Wakosu commotion wa hano about. That's what the person was telling me. And this was a big man. Oh no, can say, "She appear una ochi basa a problem." Enti enda eme yano. Say Abusuapanyin ntimi ntrase keke. As the whole family, there shouldn't be two sides. Two sides sit down and make a decision. That this side will come and say, I penny date way, side will see a penny date way. Right now, no, they all can say some different side dates. And now other ones also I choose another date. It appear me one person. Yenche mutu ana. Now me koha later no koha now. What is happening? Are you getting what I'm saying? And you know, why can't they sit down? Say if you unu am Abusuafo mu bibi ewu. Okay, sisi the no yenya ye tusu date we now about to be can other side so back the same date. And no Ghana phone you say this is the day. But right now sisi okwa ye na se na ntokwa si wo hono mu a. Na ye kwa na ye ba. Are you getting what I'm saying? Because ebi me apia me nkoko ma kwa tenase na fight. Blows. Now is that what we are looking for?
Never.
And no be a temfrada can the quarter ballot box. I'm out for us so they come and play. what is going to happen? It can happen. Once we say men fight bet me see ho. And I don't oh yeah, fight bet me see. Because when say men pray me nya busuani ti bi am go fa na busuani bi ba no so on ti ase o de sikan ni no aba wa.
And our fan crofo.
Na so what ba ko boys so mo ti o. Omo ma twetwe high wo ba e bedi wachi. Wow, now we talk of our boys. Is that what we want for Daddy Lumba? Because it can happen. So where Oman pray no munya one say nyina ye ko say ya. No Fabi say ye be say ya. Obetu ko high boys. Are you getting me? And can who say we mu following and we mu following. Are you getting me? It won't be crash or her. Is it a funeral or a fight? Na me abiko eyi abakotena odi ni atambo de aba kam to because we a public figure who support we mutina oba eyi no
etisi anu
ma ba bia bo mitrim be
etisi anu obi obekọ eyi na ase bia na is either say wo ye team A and as team B but not the funeral ni pada we wu na uko
because obi feel say who support we mutina akọ eyi no. It can happen. Ebufu umade obi si fight formula ni meboa. Fight formula ni no obi akochi tu na wabo na straight go bo obi obe yi odwin no ho. Oh bra. So I don't know if you tell me that am I going, I'm confused. I want the two sides to all come out. Ye nyina ya pene say dey way and ye nyina ekosie Lumba. Obe ebufu umade obi si fight formula ni meboa. Fight formula ni no obi akochi tu na wabo na straight go bo obi obe yi odwin no ho. Oh bra. So I don't know if you tell me that am I going, I'm confused. I want the two sides to all come out. Ye nyina ya pene say dey way and ye nyina ekosie Lumba. Case close. And no mean say fight BNC. Ana bako ye bebre fight in cedar. Oh ye wu no makọ we wu no makọ.
Now we say no ye nyina ye be come together and ye hu say this be the data ye be kọ no. Eye ebusuapeni na wo so the date no to obegwa.
Me ba si we esi penyi diamante wo e penyi na wo fia. Hwe se wo ma mienu ko a. Na wo akotam popcorn abetrachie. Kill each other. Kunu bono ye ni say what are you doing? Baku were your fault. Your papa no fault. Who penny no mammy no fast or ma. Two banana mammy no qua. Who chicken a munyane. Who chicken now be a baby. Because Ken and Mobaku vo. Who poor women in an inside me no more. A depending hey. What is up? What are we doing? Yina yantie ho ase eno no munyina mo pene date no unjo mu dikura so camera si on so say ade e ba be ye date bi e ba piki bia no ye twa eti mo ba out say mo pene bi mu a me di sa we ba be to abonte say munyina mo pene say yenye the date we na afi masanse sam adwen if you feel say bi enipa no eno mo say e chem say twa camera si on so na twa eno release you what ka to say in case u ba out say date yenyina pene no o say sam adwen bi mu dia anyway, may you Magana for Musubai. Are you getting what I'm saying? Everybody will be afraid. Once you agree that you pre date A and I date B, you're back or year now. Because me say a year anything can happen there.
I don't think I see any judgment.
And they mean to minchre. I be mean
but a young one cent I see any judgment.
A lot of factors can happen. I papa worry in my baby. What you say? The women pitch the children against each other. That's what I realized. But you been who say Johnson. You been who say no John movement. Mammy ne can say now we mammy say and now we mammy say and now we mammy a bay for and now we mammy say you no many step brothers in we are cool. Me go you show if I say feel go no ma ya now for na ya nua for en fa ho me go ye benyi hu say say I didn't grow nya bia who just say papa no I dey lie en fa ho. Are you getting what I'm saying? So you have to know say whatever has happened. They should just sit down. Very simple. Sit down and agree on one date because me say obi afa plan say 30 okodi boni a obi ni mo Wusu why just ukwa ye normal ye na ubabana ebe na the hospital. I what did I make say?
Me to was pa Jessica say as a nyina center wo kuna.
And kuna asem. Whatever it is, they should sit down and talk. Team A, team B, sit down and agree what to do. It's very very me enye kuna enye she. Are you getting me? What I say assembly aba. Assembly aba. E first kind of twa asem no. So asem we dey ade dey sika twam tin ne be yi there be ye dey anu we ya na dey. Eka asem na aba. The person you are fighting over is not alive. He's not here. What I say to come and say the way kan no kre ana the way kan entro oni ho. And the way so on tiasie, if they don't sit down as one, maybe they need to go. As I'm so come the boys boko. I think some of the boys can be a strapping here to and not try there. There's a high Apietus side, Yempe, coffee.
Up the loudest.